at it.
Okay, here it is.
Look, I found another one.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Go right here.
Yeah.
That?
Yes, look at that tiger.
No, or that. There. Here.
Thank you.
Put it there.
Put him here.
And there.
That's how they get all messed up. There. Okay.
Now. That's right.
Now what?
The wolf.
What is that?
The wolf.
Whoa.
See another wolf. Look.
What is that?
Wolf lives here.
Wolf lives there.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that? What's that moose?
It's scared of it.
You're scared of the moose? The moose is good.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Okay. He's good. Now what?
Lucky snake. Lucky
What about the snake?
is you.
What is that?
A hamster.
A hamster. How'd you know what a hamster? That's a, looks like a guinea pig, but it's close.
It's close. On baby panda. Wonder baby panda.
Where's the baby panda? Oh, you saw it through there? Here.
No big. No, mama. Mama. Here's the big one. Here.
Stay with somebody who had kids?
Yeah, they had a daughter and 2 kids, 2 sons.